welcome to Lisa Marvin Art. I had some requests to do a video about a piece that I did. Hopefully I can recreate it. The colors I've used are TLP, this little piggy, Constellation, one of my favorite colors. TLP Ore, which is a great gold. Another one of my faves is Grenache, which is a beautiful red. You can get these at fluidart.co. I'm also using Liquitex Fluorescent Violet and just a bit of golden titanium white in my pouring medium. Video number 82 is how I mix up my paints, I believe. And the idea is I'm going to make Constellation my background and just do a pretty bloom. And the mix of the Ore and Grenache is so pretty, and it comes like very orangey and warm and lovely. So hopefully I can recreate it. I'm using the Shelly Art recipe for my cell activator in Payne's Gray. And you can get 15% off her course with my discount code. So let's get going. So I'm using Color to Go Tricorn Black. And I'm not gonna put too much because I've taped my sides, so I don't have to cover those big sides. And I don't wanna make the bloom too big. Is that enough? I'll put a little more. Okay. So let's hope that's enough. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay my Constellation down, and I'm going to use my palette knife and spin it out and just kind of make it a pretty background. Hopefully, we'll see. So I'm going to do a little, you have to do a bit of a bigger puddle, but we can handle it, right? Oops, I think there was a lump in there. Oh well. All right, so now we're going to pull it outwards. All right, and I'll spin it a bit to make it bigger. Should I spin it some more? Probably. All right, now let's layer our paints. It's a pretty simple layering. I'm just going to start with my violet. And then I will do the Grenache. So pretty, this red. And then I will do the gold. Ew, there's a gloop in here. There's just gloops everywhere today, yuck. And then after the Ore, I'll do my white. Just a little bit of white. And then hopefully we'll get something pretty. Let's see how my white's doing. Just gonna drizzle it. It's a little thick today. All right, so got my cell activator. Let's see what happens. Okay, now I'm just gonna take a popsicle stick, it's pretty, and just kind of make it more like a flower. Oh, and I just picked up the bloop with, oh great, there was a big bloop. Let's fix that, get that bloop out. Let's pretend that was on purpose. And we'll go like that. And I'll go like that, and perhaps like that. Oh, there's another bloop right here. I should have got these out before, of course, but okay. Pretend that was on purpose. Maybe fix that a bit. All right, let's do it. And I think there's another big loop here. I don't even know what these are. These are like hard things. Okay. Do it again. All right. Oh, and I see another bloop, but I don't want to keep ruining it. How do we feel about this? I could definitely spin it again. All right. I got some black paint everywhere. I don't know. I mean, it's definitely sparkly. Definitely cute. Some cool cells. Like, I like this bottom part here. Oh, and I like these big cells here. So yeah, some cool parts. I don't know if it's like as special as the other one. Maybe I should try again, but I don't want to ruin this one. So we'll do a close-up and you'll let me know what you think. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.